Recent studies say men should discipline their female partners. Well, a counselor at the College of the Bahamas addressed the study today, and she says it should be an eye-opener for Bahamians. Kyle Joaquin tells us more.
According to a new study recently published in the College of the Bahamas' International Journal of Bahamian Studies, 58% of high school boys and 32% of high school girls that participated in the survey believe men should discipline their female partners. That study also found that 49% of the males feel women should ask permission of their male partner if they wish to go out. These findings, according to Camille Russell Smith, a counselor at COB and project lead for the study, should be a caution light for many of how the next generation is thinking.
I think they're thinking of perhaps physical discipline rather than the need to communicate, to try to sit down, because we're talking about men disciplining their female partners. We're not talking about children perhaps being disciplined and guided by their parents. So you're thinking physical discipline most of the time, and that says that I'm not really considering the fine art of communication and how in healthy relationships you try to encourage partners to sit down and communicate about an issue rather than discipline, one disciplining the other.
There were 1,002 students between grades 10 through 12 surveyed within various high schools. 45% of them were males. Smith says what was equally as startling is that 45.6% of the males feel a wife must have sex when her husband wants to.
Those kinds of statistics concern us because we wonder, well, how is that going to play out in relationships in later years in life? And they already have clearly different views on what should happen in relationships between men and women, and so then you can kind of guess what may be happening later on, and so that is a definite concern for us.
Now, there were two questions on that survey that both sexes seem to see eye to eye on, and they are: should a man be submissive to his woman, and should a woman be submissive to her man? 87.3% of the males surveyed believed that women should submit to their husband, while 85.4% of the females felt the same way. And then there's the question of a woman who dresses too sexy deserves to be hit by her partner. While the percentages may not be so high, Smith says it's disappointing that some of the males and females feel that that should be the case.
Dressing too sexy is very, very subjective. What makes somebody dress too sexy? And so then, even if somebody is dressed too sexy, that does not mean that they deserve to get hit. So that and those kinds of attitudes that came out are definite red flags for us. I'm very concerned that they feel that they should be hit based on how they're dressed. I'm very concerned that they feel that they should be hit at all. That's not appropriate. But it speaks to perhaps maybe the environment that they may have been exposed to, again, either from their home, from their schools, from their community, from what's on TV.
58 of the males surveyed believe a woman's place is in the home, while 36.8% of the females agreed. Over 70% of both the males and females said they have been in a relationship that they considered to be serious, and most of the respondents came from homes with both parents. Reporting for NB12, I'm Kyle Joaquin.
You're watching the best in Bahamian news. There's more when NB12 returns.